everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, we're going to be going outside in the backyard and we're going to warm up the space for fall. And we're going to swap out a lot of our spring and summer flowers. We're going to add some lighting, some texture, and just some warmth. It's football season, it's fall weather, it's autumn. Our leaves have not started falling yet and our grass is still green. Brightown is sponsoring today's video and they provided us with all of the lighting we need to warm up our outdoor space for nighttime and give it that cozy vibe. We have pathway lights, we have string lights, we have candles, and I think we have some starry lights. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we have. Try to select enough to light up the backyard. As you know, I do have a long walkway as well as a pretty decent sized backyard. So we want to warm that space up, and I did get 4 boxes of these lights, and it is 6 in a pack. I have 4 boxes of these, so we have 24 of these. And here is, they let out a star pattern. I love that look. Now I already opened this box, but I haven't unpacked it. This is the outdoor solar string lights. This is the solar star string lights. Have 2 boxes of those. These are the candles, the LED outdoor candles. It's a 9-pack. They are flameless. And this is the 29 feet string lights. So I got 4 boxes of these. The goal is probably to go around the fence a little bit. And I love the fact they're solar. So this is that. So they're already put together, y'all. So I don't have to screw in any bulbs. This is how it looks. So these are not glass. They're not breakable. And it did come with 2 extra bulbs, so that's good. And we got 4 packs of these. So yeah, easy enough. It has a little stake. So if you wanted to put your panel in the ground and stake it, you could do that. And the string on the very first string is long enough so you can run it up your fence without having lights going all the way up the fence. But yeah, we're going to get some lights outside and light it up and warm it up and make it a little bit more cozy for nighttime. So yeah, I just want to unbox this and then we're gonna go outside and put everything together. Okay. So these have really grown, and then this is a verbena. Those are growing. Those are doing well. We're going to clean this out. We're going to clean this out. Those are fine. These are looking good. We are also going to clean this out. These look good. Over here, I got some new mums. They actually came in a little base already. So these, I bought these 2. And over here, it's a verbena mixed in. Remember with these flowers, those were just really small flowers, and look what has happened. And I just brought all of the plants over here, and this was a small plant, and see how well these grow. Purple hearts do really well anyway. We're gonna take out all the dead stuff, and then we have these that are binding really good. So you have it. This is how we look like we got a real tree. I never put this in the ground, y'all. I think I'm going to put it in a pot, a bigger pot, and put it where it can really prosper. So we're going to clean out anything that's dead, all of that dead stuff that's dying, I should say. And of course, these like shade, that's why I have them turned to to the other side. And the same thing over here. We have this begonia, and then we have another begonia that's down here. It's getting a little more shade now, so it may try to do a little something. All right, and this one right here was a begonia. It liked shade, but it didn't do too well in this pot. I guess I wasn't watering it enough. All right, so that is that. We can look around here. These I need to clean up some more. They don't like direct sun. They do like sun, but not direct sun. Same thing over here. Clean these up really well. These did pretty good, but it's time to clean them up. Probably just need to water this and clean it up a little bit. Both of them. This one, I'll pull this one on out. Same thing here. And over here, I don't know. I think this may be a the little green plant. That may have been a weed. I'm really not for sure. But whatever it is, I just let it go ahead and grow. And same thing right here. We're going to clean all of this out. Just cut off all the dead leaves and clean it up. And there is a plant growing back in the back. So we'll let it take over the rest of the pot. I did plant some spring, summer, along with maybe some fall or some that will last a little longer. And so here is the yard right now. We have the ladder up because I'm about to hang our lights, solar lights. So here you can see how the plants are doing. Anything that's brown, we're taking it out and probably replacing it with the mums. Over here, same thing. Those flowers really look good. So yeah, clean all this stuff up and let it go to work. Right, so the hubby and I are going to string one set of Brightown solar string lights from the pergola to the gazebo. And they are about 5 feet long. They also have a little outlet. So if you wanted to plug a USB to it to give it a little bit longer life, you can. They came on around 7, which is dusk, and they went off around 2 in the morning. So like I said, even if you want them to run a little longer, just plug a USB power cord into it and plug it in the wall, and you can let it run a lot longer. But for us, 2 o'clock in the morning was fine. Okay, y'all, so this is the first night. We have the string of lights going here, and then we have these under here. So I wanted to see how they look before I put the other ones out. So we got the little stars hanging here, and we have that set on blinks, but I like the steady light, so we're going to change that. And this is the stars. You can see them really, really good. They look pretty. And over here on the fence, we have the solar lights, a really nice set of lights. And I just wanted to see how everything was going to look before I put the next round of lights, but I wanted y'all to kind of see. Now we're going to use these solar powered fairy lights to wrap the pole. I started from the bottom and went up because I wanted my solar panel to be on the bottom. While I'm wrapping the fairy lights around the pole, every now and then I'll use a little tape to hold it in place just so my fairy lights won't slide back down this pole. And another cool feature with the fairy lights, you can set them to be a steady light or to blink. I prefer blinking on the pole and a steady light on my chandelier. And this is how the pole looks at night with the fairy lights. And I use the same fairy lights to wrap this chandelier, and I just stuck the solar panel on the outside of the gazebo so it can get enough sunlight to keep the chandelier lit at night. Now I'm just going to add these lanterns over in this area, and I'll be using my LED battery operated candles from Brightown. They also come with a remote, and you can use the remote to set the timer as well as turn them on and off. And as you can see, there are several sizes, so you can use them for a Christmas party, wedding party, dinner decorations, or just how I'm using them in my lanterns. And this is how the area is looking now. Isn't it beautiful? All right, so this is how this area is looking right now. I have the fireplace going, and now let's go turn on the fireplace at the back part of the yard, and we have a whole vibe going. And right when I got ready to start filming this video, it started sprinkling, but it's okay. It only lasted a few minutes, and it was just a light sprinkle. I also used one fairy light to wrap each pot, and I stuck one pathway light in them. And here you can see how the pathway lights are putting out a really nice light. These are Brightown solar pathway lights in the color black. They have a ribbed lens and they put out a warm white light. They are solar chargeable, waterproof. They turn on at dusk, and they are LED lights. And I also use them in both flower beds as well as the entryway to our home.
Some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Since December, ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November, see it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in a moment with me.
All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video, so I'm going to share some pictures and videos of the space during the daytime. So thank you, Brightown, for sponsoring today's video and gifting us the lighting that we need to make our backyard cozy and inviting. And I'm going to share the links to everything I shared in today's video in the description, so be sure to look for that. They have sales going on all the time, so you definitely don't want to miss it. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave as many comments as you like in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.